Wow, some power. G'day Lip Rippers, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's had an amazing week. Well, we got a little afternoon off down here. Actually in between jobs, I've got a couple of weeks off, so house sit's still coming. But for now, we just come down here on the Clarence and we've got some new lures to play with. So super excited about these. Got them in the post yesterday. And here they are. We got the new MMD little soft prawn vibes there. They look absolutely amazing. So I've got my light rods set up there with 2500s, 2 to 4 kilos, 6 pound braid, 10 pound leader, and we're just gonna throw it around. We've got the run outside here and it's looking all right. A little bit of wind, but we should be all right here. So anyway, brand new lure. The fish haven't seen it yet, so I'm super excited to see what they're going to catch. I know they're going to be super successful because everything Mick does just catches fish. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. Like, share, subscribe, all that juicy stuff. I'll tie these on and we'll get in the drink. So let's go. I'm excited. Oh, yes. There we go. First fish. Oh, he's carving. Oh, pulled it. Oh, first fish we got, and I pulled it. I don't know what that was, man. Amateur. Good run. I don't know if that was a flathead, eh? Jeez. Wow. How not to catch a fish. Oh. Oh, was that a fish? There's loads happening down there. I don't know if that was a fish. Oh, that was a fish. What is going on, man? First day fishing, or what was that? It's definitely a school of something down there. Got another hit in there too. There's fish on the sounder, it's all happening. I just can't hook into one. What are they? Oh, yes, there we go. Oh, make sure those hooks are in. It's silver, so it's a schooled fish. What are ya? What is that? Oh, a little dewy. Maybe that's what it was before, I don't know. First fish on the soft vibe is a little dewy. That's pretty cool. Maybe that's on the sounder here. You can see them all here. I reckon that must be these little guys here. I think the one we hooked before was definitely bigger. I'm not saying it was a dew fish, but possibly. That's pretty cool though. First fish on it, little dewy. Not bad at all. There you are, guys. First fish on the new MMD soft prawn vibe there. There's that soft vibe. Just hooked under the chin there. Anyway, we'll get him back in. Oh, there we go. I reckon that's another little dewy, hey. Absolutely crunched it. Oh no, a little flatty this time. There we go. Only a little guy, but there we go. I catch flathead. Cool. Well, first flathead, I'm sure of many, just under legal. See you, dude. There we go. There we go, 2 species. It's waiting for the old humble flathead to come and eat it. Oh, there we go. That was a good eat. Good eat. That's a flathead. Not a bad one. Let's back him off a little bit. Yeah, he crunched that. That's the eat we want to see. That's not a bad fish. Maybe 50 or so. Could be a little dewy actually. It does feel like flathead though. Yeah, it's a flathead. Actually not as big as I thought. Still a legal flathead though. He ate that really well. Really nice eat, that one. Get in here, mate. Oh, he's not bad fish though. Be a 40, 45, 46. That was awesome. Good eat. Absolutely pumped that. No surprise they were always going to catch a flathead. Nice one. Might work along this bank here. As you can see, it is super windy. That main channel is almost not fishable. I fished this whole bank and yeah, it was super hard to fish. So we might just venture up here, wind behind us. We can just come back and do nice long casts. We're probably going to get quite a few flatheads. So, but I'm happy with that. You know, I'm out fishing. Got a new lure to try out. So we might get lucky, catch a big flathead. But yeah, just having fun. Anyway, let's get this guy unhooked and we'll get him back in the drink. Oh, that was a whack. That's another whack. Yes. Oh, that's a really weird fish. What is happening? It's silver. Is it the trusty brim? What is that? Oh, it's a little dewy. Oh my God, can they get any smaller? Oh, what's all that slime up there? That's normally a catfish that does that, eh? Don't tell me there's catfish here too. Oh, that is the cutest little jewfish ever. Calm down, little man. You're alright. He's super cute. On the sand flat. Chasing prawns, mate. Yes, a cute little guy. See you, man. Alright. Yet another zone. So we're back over Iluka side now. That's the Iluka boat ramp just there. So just trying to get out of this wind. Hey, it's a southwesterly, I think, which is making it very difficult. But anyway, I did want to come and fish these rock walls with these vibes. So we're here anyway. It's super glassed out along here. So tide's coming out. So we'll start up here and we'll just slowly drift our way back all the way up here. It's super nice along here. There's usually some fish along here. So we'll see how we go. It should be good. Oh, come on, we're right on top of them. Eat it. They're definitely due. They don't want to eat. There we go. Oh, you idiot. Why do I suck? Oh. There's heaps of them there. That's what we're looking at there, guys. I'll just quickly show you. So yeah, we got all these fish sitting on the bottom there. They're definitely due, 100% they're dewy. So just had a good hit then and pulled him. So we'll quickly get back in there. See if we can get one. Oh, there we go. That's a good flathead. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, I'm scared now. My last video was different. I caught those jacks and then lost a big flathead. Oh God, right. Now I'm kind of counting on catching this fish because I haven't caught anything too big. He crunched that. That's a big fish. Let's get the net ready. Wow, some power. Just taking my time, back that drag right off. We're heaps far away from the rock wall. There's leader. Just really taking my time because she's probably swallowed it because it's a super small lure. She's just working in the current here. That's a dewy. It's not even that big. Yeah, right. Oh, that's still the best fish for the afternoon. Smashed it real hard like a big flathead. Beautiful fish though. Yeah, cool. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. Persistence pays off on the rock wall, eh? Awesome. Wow, that lure is gone. Well guys, that'll be probably the last fish for the afternoon. Nice little dewy there. Nothing too big. I thought that was a big flathead, but anyway, good fun in that current there. What an awesome looking fish though. Look how silver he is. There's that, probably can't see it, but it is all the way down the hatch. He's absolutely swallowed that thing. So, but look at that. Beautiful. What a way to finish a beautiful afternoon. Fish of the day. Nothing big, but absolutely stunning fish. All right, we're getting back in. Might have a quick couple of cheeky flicks and then we'll hit the road. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this episode. Like, share, subscribe. These vibes, get amongst it. They're awesome, super durable, and they catch fish. Anyway guys, till next time, take care of yourselves.